Alright guys, deep, look at that, nice bass. Deep jumping, baby. I'm down here in a honey hole, way down in south, almost, I want to say, Florida City. We're deep down here in this honey hole. There ain't nothing out here. Got some birds. Got some nice catching this bass. Bring him in. It's beautiful out here. Yeah, that's me, Dale. That cracker down here in South Dade. Nice, look at that view. Ain't nothing out here but a bunch of buzzards, snakes, and bass. This beautiful little honey hole here. Alright guys, take care.